Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is the part 3 of playing Roblox, but hindi muna ako maglalaro ng Roblox kasi mag-aano muna ako guys, nonood ng movie sa YouTube ng ETQT for Mestresses full movie. 1 hour and 57 minutes and 28 seconds. So, bali hindi na pala to siya Roblox playing. Ano na talaga to siya, watching talaga siya. Pero hindi ako magre-reaction video. So, mamaya mag-a-upload ako ng Roblox reaction. I mean, playing Roblox I think tomorrow siguro. So, we will see that na lang guys. So, let's watch na. Yan, dito ko na lang ilalagay yung camera ko. So, bali nasa ano na ako guys. Nasa, ayan. Ito. 25 minutes and 53 seconds. So, continue na natin. Ayan.
Ay, kabo. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ito na sila, dumating din.
Oh, girls. That's Ina, the one I've been telling you about. Ina, that's
Happy to meet you again. Hello.
And you remember Chloe?
Hi, my dear. It's nice to meet you again.
So, lahat kayo kabit. Girls, I warned you, she's still young and tactless. Well, I like her. I think she's charming.
At least hindi siya nag-i-English. Kasama na ako sa Filipino department.
Welcome to the family.
So, ano, napili ka na?
Ito.
Grabe! Ang ganda naman dito, ate. Nasaan tayo?
Ina, we're in SM Aura Premiere.
Talaga? Grabe no, para tayo nasa abroad.
Chloe, look at this one. Look at the lace detail. Tapos ito, tsaka yan. Yun. Ito.
Ate, ang mahal naman ito. 10,000? Grabe. Pero tignan mo naman itong buong outfit ko, oh. 1K lang yan, kasama sapatos tsaka bag. Diba? Masulit. Carry na ba to?
Wow, Ina. You look so good in that. Punyeta tong babaeng to. Ang ganda ng katawan. Ang slim.
You look great. You should get it.
Dapat, mas maganda ka sa white.
Ha? Bakit? Hindi pa ba ako mas maganda kaysa kay Senator Aison? Ay, katawan pa lang, tapos ng laban, di ba?
Ina, that's another rule. Never speak negatively of the wife.
Georgia naman. Nagsasabi na yung bata na to. Here we are. Now, Ina, take your pick.
Ate, seryoso ka ba? Hindi ba tayo papagalitan ni Frank sa dami ng ginastos natin?
Ina, asawa siya ng politiko. Naniwala ka sa akin. Hindi mo mumulubi yun. Pangalawa, sabi ni Georgia, you can choose whatever you want.
Okay pa ako dito. Basta, okay pa to, maganda pa to.
Your bag is not just a bag. It's a status symbol. It's what distinguishes you from the rest. You are defined by the choice of your bag. Remember, you are your bag. Choose.
Eto.
Pang mahirap yan.
Huh?
That's reserved for the wives. Boring.
Ay, eto na lang.
At the risk of exposing your mistress,
Cut muna natin siya dyan. So, it's so nice. Guys! So nice. Diba, parang hindi ko na nare-react. Pero hindi naman talaga reaction video to. Manunod talaga tayo. I-video ko lang talaga. Itong panonood ko ng movie na Itikiti for Mistresses. Sobrang ganda. As in. So, hindi ko hindi ko ihahaba tong vlog na to. So, by the way, guys, let's watch again. And one more things. Sobrang yaman nila, no? Ano na, swipe lang sila ng card nila. So, let's watch it again.
hell no.
Ha? May bag pala na pangkabit?
More like common na kabit.
Ha? Hmm. Eh dito,
That's where you belong.
okay. Hmm. Ito. Ay, hindi. Ay, ito na lang.
Perfect.
Okay. Magkano kaya to?
Ina, it's really expensive kaya walang presyo.
Ah, ganun.
Remember, you are your bag. Now choose two more.
Pili ulit?
Mm-hmm.
Wala ti, naglibog na dyan ko, ganina na dyan ko, gikapoy pa. Wala dyan ko kabasa kong buhaton.
What brought you here today, madam?
Kailangan na kailangan na.
Next time, call me 3 hours in advance.
Dito rin nagpupunta yung mga babaeng kagaya natin.
Shouldn't? As much as possible, you shouldn't go where the wife goes.
Inumin mo, hindi ka na exciting for you, ikaw talaga.
Si Ate G.
Si ma'am? Andun po, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Welcome.
Hi, Ate! Hi, Ina! Grabe, sa'yo lahat to. Ang bongga mo talaga, Ate G.
Oh, I've had this for quite some time.
Eh, ano naman yung mga pagkain dito?
Filipino.
Filipino lang?
Ina, I'm doing my best to elevate it to international standards.
Ay, challenging. Eh, ate, dito pa lang. Ubus na yung oras mo eh.
Hindi naman. Actually, tomorrow, may pupuntahan tayo.
Sa clinic this week. Thank you. Thank you for coming with me.
Of course, this is Si Doktora, the one who did the medical mission.
Si Victoria, ay hello. Thank you for
Si
your
engineer, helping us with our structures for the new community.
help. Thank you, engineer. Thank
Si
you.
Prof, the one helping us with our recycling for the environment. Happy birthday, Tita.
Thank you.
Tita, of course you're never Chloe. Happy birthday, Tita.
Thank
so
you.
lovely. Charlie. Tita.
Hi, thank you. Thank you.
This is Ina.
Hello po. Happy birthday po. Grabe, mukha lang po kayong 50. Ang bata-bata pa po na yung tsura niyo.
Ikaw po, guwapa ka ayaw ka tayo.
Hello, bisaya po di ka tita. Ala no.
Kamay lang. But a powerful man. taught me how to speak Bisaya.
Naku, baka ako rin pagchichismisan ninyo.
Dili, Ate G. Ay, hindi, ate. Ano ba yan?
Youth and beauty fade, Ina. So do men. They come and go. Even family and friends, they vanish from your life. In the end, all that's left with you is yourself. So, don't ever lose yourself. I hope she taught you that as well.
Salamat po.
Ang ganda ng movie na to. So, hindi pa tayo nakakalahati. Nasa 34 minutes and 24 seconds pa tayo. So, hindi na kaya ng storage ko. So, pero, tingnan pa lang natin.
Wala na ba ice cream? Excuse me, Miss Georgia. Let's go up with your splash.
Bye,
and sit
girls.
here, Stella.
Ina, look around you. Maraming mga babaeng katulad natin dito. Like, oh my God, is that Marla?
Si Marla?
Sino Marla?
The nerve to even show her face after what happened last week?
Ganun pala kalala yung nangyari. Di ba niya alam na usap-usapan siya?
Ano ba nangyari?
Ay naku, Day. Yung malantod na yan, kasama ng partner niya, tumakas para i-celebrate yung anniversary nila. And excited si girl. At ang chika pa, may pasabog si Marla.
Wait lang, Charlie. Parang that's not a real kwento. You're exaggerating. They simply got together. And then, they decided to go up to Tagaytay to spend their anniversary. They were not aware that the wife was just at the back hiding the whole time.
Ano? Sa likod ng sasakyan?
Yes. Maaga pa lang, nandun na yung wife. And she really patiently waited for the perfect moment. She actually heard the whole conversation. Just when she was about to wear the brand new Tiffany necklace,
Biglang lumabas si Mrs. Tiniklo si Marla sabay ang ng kutsilyo. So yun na nga, nabitawan ni Ramon yung manibela. Kakaawat nun sa dalawa. Ayun, sumalpok yung kotse sa poste.
Ano? Eh di patay na ngayon yung mag-asawa.
no naman.
Hindi, si Marla lang talaga yung matindi yung tama.
Is this what really happened? Something close to that.
What happened to Ramon and his wife?
The couple is said to be in Hong Kong trying to reconcile.
Thank you, everyone, for coming to my 75th birthday party.
Ate, mukha talaga siyang bata, no?
What they say,
Because of her, we became very respectable.
Her partner was a very influential politician, pero never siya nag-skandalo. She knew her place and she remained quiet. That's why they had a very peaceful relationship. Tita Conchita, it's such a great trip.
So guys, dito na mag-i-end yung vlog na to kasi hindi na kaya ng storage ko. So kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also comment for another vlog, another reaction, or play for Roblox. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, share, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!